English conversation. Asking for direction. Conversation 1.
Hello, could you tell me the way to the bank?
Let me tell you. First, walk straight to the end of the road. Then make a left turn and walk along the South Street. When you see a crossroad, you will see the bank across the street.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
That's all right. Good luck.
Thank you. Bye.
Conversation 2.
Excuse me, how can I get to Johns Hopkins Hospital?
You can get there by bus.
Which bus shall I take?
You can take a number 26 or number 47 bus to go there.
Where's the bus stop of number 47?
Go straight and turn right. You can see the bus stop there.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Conversation 3.
Excuse me, am I on the right road to Olive Garden restaurant?
Oh no, you have taken the wrong way.
Have I? Then could you show me the way?
Turn back and walk on until the first turn. Turn right, walk ahead for about 100 meters. Then you can see the restaurant on the left round the corner.
Thanks. That's very kind of you.
Common English sentence patterns. Listen and repeat the following common English sentence patterns. For each sentence, you have 5 seconds to repeat. Excuse me, can you tell me the way to the museum? Could you please tell me the way to Melody Hotel? Could you show me the way to railway station, please? How can I get to the park? I don't know the way. Do you mind showing me the way to Black Ocean Stadium, please? Can you tell me where the bank is? Is there a post office near here? Excuse me, is this the right way to the Union Station? Which is the nearest way to Central Park? Is this the way to Spring Street? Is there the nearer way? How long will it take me to get to the sea? Do these buses run to the center of the town? Is there a short way? Can I take a bus there? How long does it take to get to market? Can I go there on foot? Is it far to walk? Where does this road lead to? It's too far for you to walk. Go straight ahead about 50 meters. Go down the street, then turn right at the second crossing. It's about 100 meters from here. Go down this road and turn left at the first crossing. Walk on for about 200 meters, and it'll be on your left. Go straight ahead to the second crossing, then turn right. You can see it on your right-hand side. Ask someone else when you get there.
Okay, that is the end of our video. Please watch the video many times until you can speak quickly and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.